Hi everyone. I'm going to talk a little bit about how to, enable cloud recording and then share those recordings. And I have to say right now that again, FSW recommends that you do not record your live class sessions because it can create a number of FERPA issues. And again, if you do choose to do so, make sure you are following FSW's, privacy and security guidelines. And so this is the Office of Information and Technology has the Zoom privacy and security resource. And then there's also a resource for how to protect participant privacy when recording with Zoom, also from the FSW Office of Information Technology. And so you might be wondering, well, then why are you talking to me at all about how to create and share cloud recordings? So maybe you don't want to record live class sessions. However, this cloud recording feature can be a very useful way for you to share other resources with your students. And this might be, an issue that a number of students are having during the week. You can, create a quick video breaking down this problem for them, and then send that out via email, post it to Canvas as an announcement, what have you. Because these recordings can be stored in the cloud, they take up no space on your computer, and they can be shared and distributed, with a click of a button very easily. There's no long loading time for a video to upload. You also have the option of saving videos to your own computer. Although again, if you're recording class sessions, FSW especially cautions against doing that. But if you want to share those video files, it's just like uploading or sharing any video file. So again, I'm going to focus specifically on how to share cloud recordings and how to create and then share cloud recordings. And it's important that you have this skill, even if you don't plan on using it, because in the uncertain environment in which we find ourselves, this might be a skill that you don't need until you need it, right? So again, this is just something we want to make sure that you are able to do. And then a little further on in this module, you're going to be asked to create a cloud recording and then share that link, just to show that you know how to record something with Zoom, and then also how to share that information if it becomes necessary for you to do so. So I'm logging in, and again, this has been detailed earlier in the training, but you want to make sure that when you sign in, you are using the your FSW account. So if you go to fsw.zoom.us, you can do this. But if you're on your app or something, or you just go to the Zoom's regular account, click sign in with the SSO, then type in FSW for the domain name, hit continue. It'll prompt you to sign in. I'm already logged in here, so it's not asking that. You can see my name there. And so very easy. You go to settings, recording. I got local recording. You can actually disable local recording if you'd like, if you don't plan on using it. And then cloud recording, if it's not enabled, I'm enabling it here. And you can also enable automatic recording if you'd like to. That's really up to you, but you can get yourself in trouble because you'll automatically be recording all the time. So actually, I'd caution against that. And again, if you do choose to do a recording, this is detailed a little further on in the training, make sure that you follow FSW's advice about how to protect participant privacy when you're recording with Zoom. So I've got that enabled. And then when you're doing a recording, just to show you how to make this recording, I'll host a meeting. I'm going to do it with video off, everyone. Opening it with my app. Joining with my computer audio. Hopefully it doesn't create a terrible feedback. It senses I'm talking. There's no feedback, so that's good. Now, here's why you might want to just disable recording to the computer if you never want to record locally. If you record to the cloud, it gives you the option, but if you only have one path, it'll just do it automatically. I'm going to continue to record to the cloud. This is just me testing, so you'll do whatever you want to do. You'll stop recording. You want to stop recording? I'll hit yes. And then I'm going to end this test meeting that I'm doing to create this sample video. Then, when you go to your Zoom account and you want to access your recordings, I'm going to go to my account. Over here, you will have a list of recordings. You click here. You click share, and you can click detailed share information, and you got your URL here. You just copy and paste it. It's great. You can passcode to protect it if you'd like to, or if you're just sharing like general information with students, you don't need to passcode protect it either. If it's just like your own video, that's completely your decision. You can also add an expiration date so it expires at the end of the semester, and your students aren't showing this to their grandchildren in 30 or 40 50 years on down the road. Your decision entirely. So that is how you, enable, create cloud recordings and how you share them. And again, the module has, Zoom's overview of how to do this. I just wanted to give you a quick alternative explanation. Thank you very much.